Today we are going to address the paint on the 1970 Schwinn Racer. First, we have to determine our goal for this project. Our options, known as the 3 R's, are restore, refresh, and repair. Restore would mean to strip and professionally repaint all painted surfaces, apply new decals, pin striping, and silk screen, as well as re-chroming all chromed items. Basically, make it look like it did fresh out of the factory. Repair, the other extreme, is simply to fix whatever it takes to get the bike going again. Refresh lies somewhere in the middle of these two extremes. This generally involves going through the entire bike, cleaning the painted and chrome parts, replacing worn items, repacking the bearings, etc. I prefer the refresh approach. A wise man once said, "It's only original once." Old things have a story, and the worn paint and chrome is a testament to it. Here's what I use to address the paint: citrus cleaner, stiff brush, detail brush, and in extreme circumstances a wire brush. Who put this here? Acetone removes spray paint without damaging the original paint that has hardeners in it. Silk screen and pin striping may not have hardeners, so it is likely you will lose them if you use acetone on or near them. I use rubbing compound, polishing compound, carnauba wax, and terry cloths to bring the shine back to the paint. In extreme cases, I use either floor wax or linseed oil as the final protectant. The paint on this bike looks a little rough, but I believe we can bring it back to a decent shine. I generally remove stickers unless they are from the original bike shop and have a cool look. This sticker is obnoxious, so I will remove it. These are generally hard to get off, but a heat gun or hair dryer helps quite a bit. I will be using the wife's hair dryer. The Schwinn decal on the down tube has the typical yellowing. I believe this is because the factory sprayed lacquer over the decal. I'm not positive, but this appears to be the same issue found on Fender guitar headstocks of this era. When the factory switched from lacquer to polyurethane paint, they found that polyurethane reacted to the decals. They had a ton of decals on hand, so they opted to paint over them with lacquer instead of tossing them. Carefully going over the decal with rubbing compound can substantially improve the issue. The silk screen on the chain guard and the forks are generally very delicate. I will avoid using compound on or near them. Okay, let's get started. So it turned out pretty good. The only issue is what was left of these Schwinn decals on the down tube pretty much disappeared. There was nothing left there. Everything else actually looks pretty good. So what's next? We tackle the chrome. Hey! Get out of here! Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.